Welcome to JEE EASIN. Today we classify functions using the four most fundamental types. Heavy checkmark, one heavy checkmark, many one heavy checkmark onto heavy checkmark into these appear everywhere. Especially in inverse functions, relations, graphs, and G advanced proofs. A function is 1 if different inputs give different outputs. 1 is not equal to 2 is not equal to. Intuition. Each person gets a unique ID. Each key opens only one lock. Graphical test. If every horizontal line cuts the graph at most once, the function is 1. Examples: is equal to 2 plus 3f is equal to 2x plus 3 is equal to 3f is equal to x3 is equal to ln f is equal to ln x. Non-examples: is equal to 2f is equal to x2 on R. If two or more inputs give the same output, the function is many-1. Example: is equal to 2f is equal to x2 2 and 2 both map to 4. Diagram: multiple arrows, one output. Common G pattern: most even functions are many-1 on entire. Because inverse exists only if function is 1. A function is onto if every element in the codomain is hit by the function. Range is equal to codomain. Diagram: every element in set B has at least one arrow coming into it. Examples: is equal to 1f. RRF is equal to 3x1 is equal to 3f is equal to x3 from RR. Not onto. Is equal to f is equal to ex from RR. If even one element in codomain is not used, the function is into. Range codomain. Examples: is equal to sinf is equal to sinks from RR. Range is equal to 1 so into. Is equal to f is equal to ex from RR. Type 1 onto. Inverse exists. 1 onto yes heavy checkmark true 1 into yes no crossmark no many 1 onto no yes crossmark no many 1 into no crossmark no only 1 and onto bijective inverse exists. This table is equal to G gold. 1 test horizontal line cuts graph less than or equal to 1 time. Onto test check if graph covers entire codomain. For look if graph extends fully up down. For restricted codomain, check mapping explicitly. Example 1. Is equal to 3 plus f is equal to x3 plus x from 1 to 1? Reason: at any x, both terms 3 times 3 and x are increasing. Sum is increasing strictly 1. Also covers all real values onto. Result: bijective. Example 2. Is equal to f is equal to x1 the 1 on? Check. Vertical bar 2 vertical bar is equal to vertical bar 2 vertical bar same output many-1. No inverse on full domain. If domain is 0, it becomes 1. Example 3. Is equal to f is equal to ex onto? No. Range is equal to. So into, not onto. Heavy checkmark strictly increasing, decreasing always 1 heavy checkmark odd powered polynomial bijective heavy checkmark even powered polynomial many 1 heavy checkmark exponential 1 into heavy checkmark logarithm 1 onto positive reals. Function: is equal to 5 plus 3f is equal to x 5 plus 3x heavy checkmark increasing 1 heavy checkmark range is all onto bijective. Let is equal to 2f is equal to x2 from not 1 range is equal to 0. Not onto many-1 into. Given a function from a finite domain, if number of elements in domain is equal to number of elements in codomain, then heavy checkmark 1 automatically onto heavy checkmark onto automatically 1. This is a favorite in discrete relation questions. In this episode, we clarified the backbone of inverse functions and mapping structure. In the next episode, we enter greatest integer function, graphs, properties, and G patterns.